So connect all the connectors. This is power. This one is for your printer. And then you'll have 3 cables. So there will be 2 5-pins and 3-pin. The 3-pin will be your printer. The 5-pin channel 1 and channel 2. So you plug it in. Okay, so I have it all connected, so now I'll show you an overhead view. So you see how it lights up toughener. So now currently at 0. So what we're first going to do is actually calibrate it by pressing the cal button. And we'll press channel 1. And we're actually going to 0 cal. We did the 0 cal, so now we could input a weight, let's say 100 pounds. Okay, so I have 101 entered in. So now I'm adding my 100-pound weight to channel 1. I press enter, save cal, remove the 100 pounds from scale, back out. So now, right now it's 0 for channel 1. So now when I put my weight on the scale on channel 1, you'll see how it says 100. So I could hold on to it. Now I can remove the weight and it goes back to 0. And you see how the scoreboard, when I place weight on it, it will actually light up red and it turns green when it turns stable. And then when I remove the weight, it goes back down to red color. So that's calibration 1 for the first pad. Now I'm just doing a second pad, so 0 caling it as well. Now I'm adding my 100 pounds to the second channel. I press enter, save cal. Now I can remove my weight. Now when I put my weight on the second scale, you can see how channel 2 now shows 100 pounds. My scoreboard is lighting up green with 100. And that's how you calibrate it. So now to show the accumulation mode. So what do we do for accumulation is, you see the bottom timeout? Right now it's set to none, meaning manual accumulation. So we're going to set to 15 seconds. So if you leave it alone for 15 seconds with a weight on it, it's going to accumulate the weight. So when I put weight on the channel 1, right now it's 90, shows 90, that's good. I can remove the weight, it will go back and see it holds 90. But now when I put a weight again, for example my second axle, it's now adding 90 plus 90 again. Now I remove it, and you see it's at 180 because it got the first accumulation, the second accumulation, and if I leave it alone for 15 seconds, which is what I set, you'll see my printer here, it would actually print a receipt of the total accumulation weight. So it's weight, there it is. Has some thing up here, but you can see how axle 1 had 90, axle 2 had 90, and the total is 180, and has a date and time. So I can actually do it again. See, it actually cleared it out. So I could have a weight on channel 2 and channel 1 same time. See? So now it says 190. You see 190 in the scoreboard. I can remove the weight. Now park my second axle on it. Put the weight on again for my second axle. Another 190 pounds. And it added up at 380. So now when I remove the weight, see, accumulation 1 was 190, accumulation 2 was 190. Now wait for it. The printer will print the second receipt after 15 seconds. And you can set how long you want to set it, from 15 seconds to 90 seconds. So it's printing here, so you can see here the date, time, axle 1 weight, axle 2 weight, and then the total accumulation weight. Okay, and that'll be all.